Got the boat launched, and this happened. Nothing. Dead battery. So the far left indicator in the back, the red one, never tops off. It never goes green. It's warranty work, and my dealership just quite didn't get to it. They only had the boat for 3 months before I picked it up. So I've arranged to have all that taken care of with a local dealer. But for now, the picture you're looking at is basically a starting battery with the charger wires disconnected. Previously, before I went out, everything was connected the way it was supposed to be. It's just safe for fun that everything is connected properly. All the charging banks work, all 3 of them correctly. Top off, tend, and everything's super. What I didn't realize is my onboard charger had a mind of its own, because the Pro Charging Systems Tri-Pro 15 amp charger, which has 3 banks, once I unplug it, it starts to lick the butter. So as I'm thinking about all my chargers and the fact that 80% of our power comes from coal-fired electricity, I quickly realized that I'm part of the solution. Thank God I don't own an electric car. So what I realize is the reason they want me to leave it plugged in all the time and they won't tell me why.
Let's go to the big board.
It's because my charger is licking the butter. What does that mean? Well, here's what it means. You've got the light on and your cat, your wonderful little fat cat that lays on the floor with his little ears, he would never jump on the counter. He's perfect. He does exactly what you say. But as soon as the light goes out, he's up on the counter licking the butter, just like my charger's doing. Hey dumbass, I'm shutting the power down so the charger can reverse its polarity and take all of the battery power. In the millisecond I pull out that plug, my charger's licking the butter. So the reason the charger company wants me to leave it plugged in 24/7 is because it's semi-permanent connection to the batteries and there's no shut off. So it literally starts to drain in the opposite direction out of the batteries. So I've known for a long time that chargers use power when they're plugged in, and you shouldn't leave them plugged in. But I had no idea that my charger in my boat would use the charge in my batteries while it was unplugged. So the last time I used the boat, I brought it home, plugged in the charger, and topped everything off, and then unplugged the charger and proceeded to not use the boat for about 5 days. So you can have a little fantasy about your cat being the perfect animal, but trust me, the minute the lights go out, he's on the counter doing this. You can see his little poopy paws and my flower print, and yeah, the whole thing is a bunch of... That is by far the worst picture of a bull that I've ever seen. I can't even, it looks like a rabbit. Bottom line is never unplug your onboard charging system, and I mean ever.